हेलो एवरीवन, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। दिस इज मी डॉक्टर आमना उस्मान। आज जो टॉपिक हम डिटेल में डिस्कस करने वाले हैं वो है आइदर आपका फेसलिफ्ट सिर्फ सर्जिकल हो सकता है या नॉन सर्जिकल भी हो सकता है, और अगर नॉन सर्जिकल है तो उसमें क्या क्या ऑप्शन है। क्या हम सिर्फ हाइलुरोनिक एसिड से फेशियल फिलिंग्स कर सकते हैं या लिक्विड लिफ्ट्स कर सकते हैं, या कोई नॉन हाइलुरोनिक एसिड फिलर्स भी हैं। ये सब कुछ डिटेल में आज इस वीडियो में। वी आर रनिंग अ चेन ऑफ एस्थेटिक क्लिनिक्स इन मेनी सिटीज ऑफ पाकिस्तान। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी ऑल्सो हैव ग्लोबल डॉक्टर आमना व्हाट्सएप नंबर हियर, प्लेटफॉर्म हियर। आप अगर हमारे जिन शहरों में सेंटर है वहाँ नहीं है और पाकिस्तान में, पाकिस्तान के अंदर या पाकिस्तान में बाहर से हमें दिखाना चाहते हैं फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ स्किन हेयर नेल इशू, फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ योर एस्थेटिक एडवाइसेस, फॉर एनी काइंड ऑफ सेकंड ओपिनियन, थर्ड ओपिनियन, इफ यू वांट टू गेट योर ट्रीटमेंट्स डन विद अस, आप हमें किसी भी क्लिनिक पे विजिट कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप एक ही विजिट हमारे पास रखना चाहते हैं ट्रीटमेंट के लिए, दूर दूर से आ रहे हैं, बाहर मुल्क से आ रहे हैं, तो आप उससे पहले हमारे साथ वीडियो ऑनलाइन कंसल्टेशन के ऊपर यू कैन डिसाइड अ ट्रीटमेंट, डिस्कस विद अस। ओके, सो वी आर सुपर इक्विप्ड। हमारे पास सारे किस्म का स्किन हेयर नेल इश्यूज के क्लिनिकल ट्रीटमेंट्स भी हैं और एस्थेटिक भी तकरीबन हर तरह के ट्रीटमेंट्स हैं। यू नेम इट, लाइक अ लेजर हेयर रिमूवल, वी हैव अ होल पैनल, ND, Alex, Diode, double wave, triple wave, Alex in motion, triple wave in motion, all kind of laser hair removals we have, super equipped. All centers are equipped with all kind of lasers, micro needlings, Botox, fillers, exosomes, skin boosters, thread lift, you name it, we have it. That too with an experience of 15 years, breaking all the records of Pakistan whole clinics, doing the most number of Botox ever done in Pakistan, doing the most number of thread lifts ever done in Pakistan, using the lasers with the number of shots ever have used in Pakistan. Yes, this is us, Dr. Amna Usman's clinic, all over Pindi in Islamabad, have spread it to Attak, now soon opening up, planning soon inshallah in Haripur, Peshawar and Abbottabad. Stay tuned. So क्या हमें फेसलिफ्ट के लिए सिर्फ सर्जिकल ऑप्शंस ही हैं या नॉन सर्जिकल फेसलिफ्ट की ऑप्शंस भी हैं? एक तो ये कि नॉन सर्जिकल फेसलिफ्ट की ऑप्शंस हैं भी, और वो काफी सारी एजेस के लिए सर्जिकल फेसलिफ्ट से बेहतर भी हैं बिकॉज ऑफ देयर रिस्क्स एंड यू नो योर जनरल एनेस्थीसिया लिफ्ट एंड दैट। सो बिटवीन द एजेस ऑफ late 20s up till mid 50s or early 50s or late 40s आप नॉन सर्जिकल फेसलिफ्ट को हमेशा ऑप्ट कर सकते हैं। बट इफ यू क्रॉस दिस एज, द सर्जिकल फेसलिफ्ट कैन बी अ बेटर ऑप्शन फॉर यू बिकॉज अदरवाइज you'll have to manage a lot of other treatments. But if you're still scared even at the age of 50 and beyond, 60 and beyond, तो फिर बहुत सारे treatments और भी हैं जिसके साथ आपके स्किन इश्यूज को, एजिंग इश्यूज को मैनेज किया जा सकता है। सो इफ you're under 50 or if you're under 60, under 70 and either you don't want to go for a plastic surgery, you don't want that risk in your life, or generally you want a non-surgical facelift, क्या possible है? जवाब है yes, non-surgical facelift possible होता है। facelift अगर whole facelift कराना हो with multiple treatments, maybe with some kind of thread, maybe liquid facelifts, maybe combining both, toxins के साथ facelift, so combining toxins, combining liquid facelift, combining thread lifts, or any kind of non-surgical modality that can be utilized to lift your skin up, to tighten your skin up and to take you closer to the skin that you had in your 20s and 30s. Yes, it's possible. उसके अंदर हम क्या क्या options कर सकते हैं? Like if there is not much of a mechanical facelift needed and it's just a bit of sagging, you can start with microneedlings and that can replace any kind of other treatment for skin tightening or skin lifting and skin sagging, to fix your skin sagging, but only that works only if it's mild. Now if the sagging is moderate, you can combine your energy based devices. There are different kind of devices, microneedling RF, only RF, high intensity focused ultrasounds, ruby red lasers, or any kind of other energy based devices. You can combine that along with liquid facelifts, okay, depending on what is your need. In case आपको सिर्फ facelift चाहिए और volume नहीं चाहिए, you can go for non hyaluronic acid facelifts, और in case आपको volume भी चाहिए उसके अंदर, if you want hyaluronic acid facelift, it's a possibility. But if someone is afraid of having too much volume in the face, जैसे कि in previous decade there was a trend of filling and landing in a very horrified picture, तो अगर वो आपको डराते हैं तो फिर नॉन हाइलुरोनिक एसिड फेसलिफ्ट भी कर सकते हैं। They are more natural looking, they enhance your contours better than HAs, they don't give that kind of inflammation in the skin, they don't generally have long-term problems as you can have with hyaluronic acid filler. By that I don't mean that you can't have a hyaluronic acid filler lifting or volumization or volume compensation, but we have both choices in hand and we can choose depending on what your need is. Okay, so अगर आप mid 30s में है, 40s में है और by genetic आपका skin ज़्यादा sag नहीं करता, but only because of aging and losing good fat you've just lost a bit of fat from your face, you can go for PLLAs or PCL or calcium hydroxyapatite fillers depending on you need volume, you don't need volume. और अगर आपको लगता है कि but because PCL, PLLA, calcium hydroxyapatite that comes with a higher price tag, तो अगर आपको चाहते कि volume compensation आपने करनी है तो फिर आप lesser price tag में hyaluronic acid fillers में भी जा सकते हैं. But then obviously with cc's, with mls of HA, the price tag can go higher. Okay, so choosing a HA filler or choosing a non-HA filler is a conversation between you and your doctor. They get to make you understand what other fillers are, how they work, and what hyaluronic acid, cross-linked hyaluronic acid fillers are and how they work. Okay, just to guide you amongst both according to their types and how they work. So if you want to go for hyaluronic acid filler, फायदा उसमें ये होता है कि एक cheaper price tag के अंदर आपको एक quick किस्म का improvement मिल जाता है, which is very gratifying. You walk out of the clinic very happy. Okay, आपने कम पैसे खर्च किए, आपको immediate result आ गए, you're happy. Hyaluronic acid filler generally आपको sessions दरकार नहीं होते, आपका एक दफ़ा एक volume decide हो जाता है और वो volume आपको inject कर दिया जाता है, and there you go. It can be used for lifting, it can be used for volume compensation, it can be just used to fix your fine lines and moderate lines, and all these are indications that. But collagen induction normal cross-linked hyaluronic acid के साथ कम है, लेकिन there are cross-linked hyaluronic acid filler जो collagen induction को भी promote करते हैं. Then there comes non-cross-linked HA fillers that can be used for liquid lifting, or that can be used for volume addition, volume compensation, that can be used for collagen induction. The PCL, PLLA, calcium hydroxyapatite. इसमें PCL, PLLA बहुत अच्छा आपको collagen boost देता है. Difference is this कि ये work थोड़ा slow करता है, gradually करता है, आपको immediate result नहीं आता. They're heavier on the pocket also. This needs session, but the good thing is this that the results can last around 2 years. Calcium hydroxyapatite is very good volume compensation, लेकिन collagen induction के लिए slightly lesser. Okay, so longevity of calcium hydroxyapatite fillers and PCL and PLLA fillers is roughly 2 years, but कोई collagen ज़्यादा induct करता है, कोई volume ज़्यादा करता है. So I mean, this is just a conversation between you and the doctor that how you want to do a facelift by non-surgical means, by HA fillers or by non-HA fillers. By this video, I would like to introduce that we already have started doing Sculptra and Redis, and all the Sculptra and Redis is reaching us direct from manufacturers, and there's no chance of any fake Sculptra Redis to be done in your face. Okay, so all kind of PCL, PLLA fillers are available with us. Maybe you know a few names with the name of Redis, Sculptra, Lanoluma, many other also. Okay, they're all available with us. What is the protocol? The protocol is simple, that you come here, we have a communication, we just get to know how you are thinking about the procedure and what you're thinking about the outcomes, and we guide you through the procedure. We put you some anesthesia, we just do the treatment. There can be a bit of downtime of 2 to 3 days. That's not a very visible downtime, but yes, you can just feel the pain here and there where we have injected, and that's it. Where HA and non-HA fillers can be used, it can be used for contouring. Let's say आपको cheek पे volume कम हो गया, yes, you can use it here. आपको HA cross-linked HA भी use कर सकते हैं और non-HA fillers भी use कर सकते हैं. Okay, with your mandibuloplasty, with your genioplasty, with your laugh line correction, with your meridionite line correction, with your jowl fixation, for your lifting, for many kind of indications, you can use this non-surgical liquid facelift. You can use profiloplasties, you can use facial sculpting kind of thing. What is facial sculpting? Is combination of everything. You can call it a liquid facelift, you can call it a face sculpting, you can call it profiloplasty. So you can put your requirements in certain bracket and just you can come and discuss with us. So that's all for today. Non-surgical liquid facelifts is possible, non-surgical profiloplasties is possible, non-surgical facial sculpting is possible. Thank you very much for watching. If you're loving our content, please consider subscribing it. और अगर आप हमारा content में कुछ और जानना चाहते हैं, you can leave your comments in comment section. We'll go through it and we'll see when we can make a video on it. Stay tuned. Thank you.